Hi folks, welcome back to the Amazing Education channel, and this video is about clear coat. It's not painting advice from a professional, but so basically over time there's a clear coat on cars from 1980 and later, well 1980 and up, newer, and basically what happens is over time, with mostly ultraviolet damage, UV damage from sunshine, and some damage from tar, bugs, especially bird droppings, the clear coat starts to fail. And once it starts to fail, there's nothing you can do long term to fix it other than remove it, get down to the base metal,